Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial on the fireplace at the Park Street Cottage. The on button is this one up on the top right here. So that's going to turn it on and off. So right now I just pat it off. I'm going to turn it back on. Now down here you have these little LEDs that show up. This one's going to allow you to cycle through. And what's going to happen is that you have the controls right here. That's going to allow you to change the features. So now as you can see here, it's going to change as I'm pushing down. Now if I want to go to the fan, which is this one right here, you can cycle to the next one. Right now it's actually set to level 3 as well. And going and pushing up on that allows you to go up or down. And the same thing. Now that's the light on the inside. The light's off, light's on, and that's the intensity of how bright it gets on the inside. And you can turn it down. And then I'm going to cycle through the next one. Now this means that you actually can have the double burner on the back. It's set to on. So let's take a quick peek. And you can see that the flames are on the back. They're on. If I come over here, we'll cycle back through. We're going to turn it off. Now it's off. And so you can see that the flames in the back are off. So if you have any further questions on being able to utilize the fireplace here at Park Street Cottage, you can reach out to us. The phone number is 208-634-0030. We'll put that back on. Cheers. Hope you're having a great time here in McCall.